In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically update new WordPress version whenever it is available. I will also show you how you can update the current new WordPress version with ease. As you can see here, I have a new WordPress version 6.7 that is available for update. Before you can update your WordPress new version, you're supposed to back up your website before you can do that. However, the simplest way to update a new WordPress version is simply by clicking on Update Now. The site will automatically go into maintenance mode. Go ahead and update the new version. Once you click on that, you'll have to be patient and wait for the new version to update. As you can see, it is updating to the new WordPress version. It is done. As you can see now, you can find out what is new with the new WordPress 6.7. However, this is the manual method of updating your WordPress version. But for our case, we want to set an automatic update so that whenever there is a new release, the new version to automatically update itself. The simplest and the best way to do this is using a plugin. So we are going to go and look for this plugin, and the plugin is called Easy Update Manager. So go and add a new plugin, and from here search Easy Updates Manager. Here it is. Go ahead and install it. As you can see, it has over 300,000 active installations, and make sure that it is compatible with your WordPress version. So go ahead and install it and then activate it. Now the plugin has been activated, and here it is. Once you have installed and activated the plugin, you want to go and set it up to get the automatic update option. So for you to do that, go to the dashboard and then click on updates option. Now from here, go down to WordPress core updates and then select auto update all releases. Now you are told that update WordPress core and minor versions automatically. This is what this function does. So once it turns green, it means it is on, and therefore all the new WordPress releases will be updated automatically. By doing this, whenever there is a new release, this plugin will automatically update it in the background. Kindly subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.